Hey Dad, what's going on?
We're gonna recharge the AC with this little recharge kit. First time ever doing it, so who knows how it'll go. But we're gonna read the instructions, maybe. Probably
Maybe.
not. I watched a YouTube video, so I'm pretty much a professional.
We got a gauge and 2 cans of refrigerant in our Red Tech 12 whatever.
Okay, turn the AC on max and high. Yeah, turn the fan, which is the switch on the left. Turn on high. Is it blowing hot air?
Yep.
Okay, we'll see if the compressor's working. You can get out for a sec. Okay, the compressor's not working. So we'll see here in a sec.
Okay Dad, what's going on?
I'm just trying to start the old GMC again, maybe get the AC working. And just being a little bit of a bitch. But it says don't use starting fluid. Immediate engine damage can result. Oh, that's not damage right there. Anyway, just a little coaxing to get it going. Okay, let's see.
Bit of a spritz. There we go. Made a noise.
I'm gonna just try putting that in. Derby.
Hey Dad.
Hi.
Hey Dad. What's going on?
Did you record all that?
No.
Oh, okay.
Half of it was recorded.
Okay, start over again. Go, hi Dad. Recording?
No.
Yeah?
Hi Dad.
Hey. Probably need some shocks, I think.
Oh yeah. Oh, click.
It's got some hydros.
Reef on it.
Okay.
Hi Dad. What have we learned so far?
Well, we had low oil, had low transmission fluid,
Very low
fluid, low coolant, and the horn doesn't work, but it's like short wired to the steering wheel somehow.
We're at an all-time low.
And the AC recharge kit has the wrong fitting on it, so we haven't accomplished anything. We found out it was a 305, so it's a little bit lame, but whatever. Still a cool car, right? Parisienne Broughhamski.
80s man, Parisienne.
80s mid-level plush. Oh, and the alternator's loud as hell.
Yep.
Which is crazy because it's brand new. So.
The alternator's brand new?
Yeah.
Oh.
Brand new, man. It says right on it, brand new. Just kidding. She said. But yeah. Otherwise, it's a pretty good car so far. Just need some love. Okay. Got it.